Not every woman in the world is privileged enough to be part of the world's largest judicial system. It would be worth something if women in India knew about their rights and laws which protect them. In the wake of the rising crimes against women in India, it is extremely important that we sensitize women about their rights and laws. While laws against child marriage and dowry have gained awareness in recent years, there are still others which women still don't know about. To help women fight back, here are 10 laws and rights every woman should be aware of. It is mandatory for every police station to have a lady officer round the clock to help assist with the sexual assault victims or to arrest a woman. According to the Supreme Court ruling, a woman cannot be arrested before sunrise and after sunset. There have been cases where women have been harassed by the police, but all this can be avoided if you exercise your rights properly. Stalking, unfortunately, is not given enough attention in India, maybe because of the society and women getting uncomfortably used to it. In one of the many aftermaths of the Nirbhaya case, stalking was added as an offence as Section 354D of the Indian Penal Code under Criminal Act 2013, and it enables a state to take legal action against the offender. With the kind of technology available, it is not uncommon to come across indecent videos and pictures being shared on WhatsApp and through other platforms, and it has become a nightmare for women and even men these days. You should know your rights, and you should know that nobody can share or upload your pictures without your consent, and you can take a legal action against the person who has uploaded your pictures without your consent. Hindu Succession Act allows daughters to have right in their parents' property as much as a son has. The share of the daughter and son has to be equal, and if the daughter is widowed or has gotten a divorce, she can stay at her parents' place. Insulting or outraging the modesty of a woman by using foul language and bad gesture is a crime. The offender can be punished with imprisonment of 1 year and fine or both. It is not legal for a man to adopt a daughter, but any Hindu single woman can adopt a daughter or a son. A woman is allowed to apply for free legal aid by virtue of Section 12C of the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987. So don't feel shy to ask for a lawyer when facing a situation and you need somebody to defend your case. There are many reasons as to why a woman would postpone going to the police station and filing a complaint. It does not matter how much time it has been, you can go to the police station and file a complaint anytime. Police in any way cannot say no to you even if it's too late. To the police station for interrogation under Section 160 of the Criminal Procedure Code. This law provides Indian women the right to not being physically present at the police station for the interrogation. So next time, while facing such a situation, quote the Supreme Court guideline to exercise your rights.